back to my channel. মই শ্যামলী মা আপোনালোকক পুনৰবাৰ মোৰ পিক্সি ডাষ্ট চেনেললৈ মই স্বাগতম জনাইছো. I hope you guys are doing well, and by the title আপোনালোকে গম পাইছে what the video is going to be about. So আজি মই আপোনালোকক মোৰ vanity tour কৰাম, মোৰ মেকআপৰ কালেকশন দেখাম, and I will show you some of my basic products which are necessary for daily makeup. So let's not wasting any time. What are you waiting for, guys? Let's get started. Vanity box to dekhabo goi asu. Let me open it. This is how it looks. These are my foundations, my CC creams, and in this side I have everything related to my eye, my facial oils, and here are my eyeshadows, my perfumes, body polishing oils, my powders, my daily creams, and my blushers, toners, everything. So guys, firstly moi jeta makeup koru moi firstly ki use koru apnalok dekhabo bisariso. First one moi toner use koru, which is this, which is rose glow toner. Iman besi hydrated hoy etu aru skin to after use iman soft moi feel koru. And after this moi use koru I use facial oil. I have two facial oils. One is from Nykaa and another is from Palm. দুইটা বহুত বেছি ভাল হয়, বাট নাইকাৰ যেটো লেভেণ্ডাৰ এসেনশিয়েল অইল হয় এটো অলপমান হাৰ্ড হয় স্মেলটো, বাকি অল ওকে. I use a serum which is from Lakme Absolute. বহুত বেছি effective serum হয় এটো. You can also use it, guys. And this is the primer which I am using recently. This is from Lotus. You can see, guys, but for daily makeup, if you want to skip it, you can skip it, because daily makeup I think primer no holeo hoy, but primer amar jikhini pores hoy face or ekhini hide korat bahut sahay kore, and for that ami amar foundation to bhalke apply koribo paru face ot. But yeah, this is nice. You can use it if you want to. Now I want to show you some of my foundation. I have 3 to 4 foundations. You can see, guys, these 3 are from Maybelline. Aru etu hoise this is from HD foundation from Lotus. Etu foundation e bahut besi bhal matte finish diye, aru I only use it when I am getting ready for a party or something. But this is a very nice foundation, I say. And secondly, I also have this one. This is Fit Me foundation. My shade is 220, and yeah, my foundation shade is 220. Also have CC creams. Aru etu lightweight mousse foundation. This is also nice. You can use it, guys, if you want to use it. ইয়াৰ পিছত মই যেটো কনসিলার ইউজ কৰো এটো হৈছে এটো Maybelline হয়, in the shade 25 medium. Okay, which is this, guys. I use 2 mascaras, which is one is from Maybelline, eta Maybelline hoy, eta Oriflame hoy, which is also, this is, I use it frequently, aru etu maje maje use koru, but etu bhale. And this is my kajals and liners, some of from Oriflame and Maybelline Colossal. And this is from In Color. Etu Maybelline hoy. And these are my fake lashes, guys. See, and this is the glue, of course. Most importantly, moi jitu mor daily face cream use koru hegeta hoise both are from Lotus. This is Lotus white glue gel cream. This is a day cream. This is Lotus night cream. বহুত বেছি ভাল ৰিজাল্ট পাইছো মই এটা ইউজ কৰি, গাইজ. ইয়াৰ পিছত মই দেখাব বিচাৰিছো মোৰ যেটো এম কেফিনৰ বডি পলিশিং অইল. এটো বহুত বেছি ভাল হয়, আৰু এম কেফিনৰ মই আৰু কিছুমান প্ৰডাক্টস ইউজ কৰো, যেনে ফেস স্ক্ৰাব, body scrub बहुत बेसी भालो है M caffeine products. You can use it. Lotus sunscreen lotion. सबे जाने ये जो बहुत बेसी effective है. Oriflame a hand cream. जो बहुत बेसी भालो है. Sometimes I use it. And what is it? This is my body lotion, body perfume cream, which is from Oriflame. Very nice smell, guys. I want to show you some of my eyeshadow palettes, guys. Just a minute. I have 3 to 4 eyeshadow palettes. Wait, let me show you. This, okay. So these are my eyeshadow palettes. I'll show you one by one. Jaclyn Hill. This Morphe palette. This is, see, this has lots of colors. बहुत basic colors, a variety of colors. And now this is another eyeshadow palette I have, which is this. This is a masterpiece, I say. Or iman pigmented hoy yaar colors khini, guys, and it also has glittery eyeshadows. Bahut besi dhuniya hoy. And thirdly, I have this Huda Beauty palette, guys. This is amazing. And after that, this is a Nykaa palette. Wait, let me show you. This has a very much beautiful shades. See. Last but not the least, I have a glittery eyeshadow palette, which has very much pretty colors. More basically use no koro, but this is pretty. And for the contour, I use this 15 color contour cream palette, which is very much nice, guys. It has a cream corrector, some concealers and some contour, which is very much, and it is affordable, guys. This powder from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220, and this is my loose powder from Fit Me in the shade 25 medium, and these are from Sugar Cosmetics. See, one is a blush, one is a highlighter. I can show you my shade. This is a peach shade, and this is the highlighter, guys. Okay, the main part of my makeup, which is my lipstick shades. This is my pouch full of my lipsticks, and it is not possible to show you everything, guys, but let me show you some of my favorite lipstick shades. See, guys. Okay, now my favorite shade is Maybelline. This is Super Stay Matte. 7 shades of Super Stay Matte ink lipstick, which is from Maybelline New York. And this is my favorite shade, which is Pioneer 20 Pioneer. This is my favorite shade from this lipsticks. And I also like this shade. This is Cherry Tomato from Sugar Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite. This shade from Lakme Absolute. This is a brownish shade, guys, which is one of my favorite. Aru was from Rene Fab 5. Yeah. This is from Nykaa K Beauty, and the shade is Photograph. This is also one of my favorite, guys. And this is from MAC. This is from MAC, which is my favorite nude shade. And this is also some non-branded lipstick, but color is good. 2 of my favorite shades, which both are from Nykaa. One is Wonder Puff lipstick, and another is Molten Matte. The colors are awesome. And এই দুটা মোৰ most favorite MAC lipsticks. See guys, wait, let me show you. See, a very pretty color. One is red, one is pink. Most favorite lip balms. This is from Oriflame and this is from Nykaa. And yeah guys, this is the pouch full of my makeup brushes, my beauty blenders. Let me show you. These are my foundation brushes. See, these are my foundation brush. And this is my this is from Nykaa, my contour brush. These are my beauty blenders, and I have one powder brush and one blush brush, and lots of eyeshadow brushes. Okay, these are my brushes guys. The two most important things, both are from Lotus. One is a makeup cleanser which is makeup remover, and another is makeup fixer, and both are amazing guys. Bahut beshi dhuniya hoy duita, are long lasting, and I must say this makeup fixer long lasting hold, this is, you know, worth buying guys. You can try it. And last but not the least, I want to show you which perfume I use. Now I'm using this 3 perfumes now these days. One is a Midnight Kisses, another is from Jovan White Mask, and this is from Oriflame, and smells good guys. Eta important kotha jitu moi apnalokor logot share koribo bisarisu, for the daily makeup you don't have to use all the things guys. And as I like to do makeup, মোৰ তাত বহুত products আছে. I have lots of products, but for you, for the daily makeup, you can just have 4 to 5 products, which is a basic products. Firstly, the must have toner, which is from Good Vibes. Secondly, the must have foundation, which is from Maybelline. Thirdly, the powder, mascara and kajal, and lastly a lipstick. Ekita basic product hoy. A basic product kita hole apnalokor daily makeup you are all set. So june basic makeup kori bhal na pai tionokor kan this is unnecessary essential products. So guys, I hope you like my video. Aru jodi apnaloke mor video to bhal pale tete hole please comment section ot comment kori janabo kenekwa pale mor makeup collections bur kenekwa pale apnaloke. Aru please subscribe my channel guys, do like my video, and do share my video with your friends, families, and whatever you feel connected with. Ako log pam notun blogger hoite. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home.